soft, juicy and packed with rhubarb and strawberries. This easy sheet cake is pure summer comfort. Wanna try it? Then keep watching. The strawberries are already washed and chopped. For the rhubarb, I only peel the tough outer side and then cut it into small pieces. Then put aside in a bowl. Now I add the lukewarm butter to the boil and feed it until it gets really creamy and fluffy. Well, this can take a few minutes, but it's worth it, because this step helps make the cake soft and light. When the butter is fluffy enough, I add the sugar and my homemade vanilla sugar. Of course, you can also use another sweetener if you like. Then I add some fresh zest from an organic lemon and a little bourbon vanilla extract for extra flavor. After that, I mix everything well with the hand mixer until it turns into a smooth and creamy mixture. Now I add the eggs one after another. After each egg, I mix the batter well before adding the next one. This step is important because it helps the eggs combine properly with the butter mixture and gives the cake a soft, even texture. Next I add a small splash of milk and mix everything briefly until the batter becomes a little smoother. Then I sift in the flour. Sifting helps prevent lumps and makes the cake better, lighter and more even. After that, I combine the washed and chopped strawberries and rhubarb in a bowl. Then I add some sugar and a little starch and gently mix everything together. The starch helps bind the fruit juice while baking, so the cake stays nice and juicy without getting too wet. Then I use a baking tray, line it with parchment paper and spray it with a little oil to prevent the cake from sticking. After that, I pour the batter into the prepared baking tray and spread it out evenly. Then I add our strawberry rhubarb mixture on top and gently distribute it over the whole cake. After that, it goes into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, until the cake is golden, fruity and perfectly baked. And here it is, our freshly baked rhubarb strawberry sheet cake. It's soft, juicy and full of fruity flavor. I cut out a piece and serve it with raspberry and lemon ice cream, which makes it even more refreshing. The sweet strawberries, the slightly tangy rhubarb and the creamy ice cream are such a delicious combination. Wanna try it? Then save this recipe and bake it with me. Thanks for watching and see you next time at Let's Do Cooking.